The future is here, and tech gifts promise you to deliver the very best of what technology has to offer. From handy new smartphones to music-friendly speakers and headphones, these are the latest and most in-demand tech products out there. Most people bring the best tech gifts with highest price tags, but plenty of amazing tech gift ideas that won't compromise your holiday budget and can still make the most severe person's life a little bit easier. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The QWERTY Writer S USB keyboard comes with a chassis, is constructed entirely out of new scratch-resistant aluminum alloy for an incredible feeling of quality and durability. It offers all-metal macro-programmable return bar defaults to the Enter key. Also, you can program it to up to 15 characters to generate signatures and even copy, cut, paste commands. Besides, it has a built-in integrated tablet stand that can accommodate comfortably up to 26.67 centimeter screens. It can also provide most 30.4 centimeter tablets as long as it's less than 1.5 centimeters thick. Moreover, it features dual scroll knob encoders that can control your volume and vertical scroll, supported on Mac OS, Android, and Windows. Another advantage is that the redesigned chromed keycaps use automotive-grade electroplating and can also connect via wireless Bluetooth and pair with up to 3 separate devices. The Nest Cam security camera has a built-in speaker and mic, so you can hear what's happening at home. It comes with a built-in magnet, so you can stick it to something metallic, and you can use the removable wall plate to attach Nest Cam to a wall. With full 1080p HD video, a 130-degree wide-angle view, and night vision, it works in any room of the house, day or night. It uses 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies to stream full 1080p video without overloading your Wi-Fi connection. Also, it has a half-inch 3-megapixel sensor which is made up of large, high-quality pixels, so you can see every little detail, day or night. Besides, you can look up to 20 feet at night with the help of 8 high-powered 850nm infrared LEDs. The GoPro Hero 7 Black comes with a time warp video which enables you to capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move about a scene. It increases the speed up to 30 times to turn more extended activities into shareable moments. With Super Photo, it intelligently applies HDR, local tone mapping, or noise reduction to optimize your shots. It offers a rugged, waterproof, without housing to 10 meters and up for any adventure. You can save your streaming videos to your SD card in high resolution, and you can shoot stunning 4K 60 videos and 12 megapixel photos that are as awesome as the moments themselves. Moreover, with ultra high frame rate 1080p 240 video, you can slow things down by up to 8 times to relive funny, exciting, or epic moments in all their glory. Another advantage is that it is equipped with burst mode so that you can get 15 photos in 1 second. The Ember Warming Mug was designed to last for 1 hour when poured in hot at a set temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a design-led temperature control brand, and it is beautifully designed to be used in your home or at your desk. It keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last drop. Also, it connects to the Ember app, allowing you to set your ideal temperature and notify you when it's reached, personalize your LED color, and create heat presets for your favorite drinks. Besides, the app allows you to select your optimum drinking temperature, save your favorite presets, receive notifications when your ideal drinking temperature is reached, and track caffeine consumption with Apple Health integration. Moreover, it offers a fully charged Ember ceramic mug which will keep your bottle at your preferred temperature for about an hour. Sonos One blends great sound with Amazon Alexa, the easy-to-use voice service, for hands-free control of your music and more. It uses 6 custom-designed microphones that can hear you from anywhere in the room, no matter how loud the music is playing. It is backed by a pair of Class D amplifiers and custom-built drivers, meticulously tuned to the speaker's unique acoustic architecture. Also, it is designed to be moisture-resistant, so it streams your favorite songs in music-starved places like bathrooms and outdoor patios. Besides, it has an illuminated LED indicator light that ensures you always know when your speaker's microphone is active. Moreover, the hardwired LED connection provides no one is listening when you want privacy. Another advantage is that it wirelessly connects to Sonos speakers in additional rooms, allowing you to expand your home sound system when you are ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.